So that's what we're asking this evening. Are our VIPs obsessed with security? Joining us on the show, we have a VIP who's got Z security, Pramod Tiwari, senior Congress leader from Uttar Pradesh. We also have in studio the person who's challenging it all, Abhay Singh. He is the petitioner in this case, which has got Supreme Court worried. We also have DR Karthikeyan. He's a former CBI director and he also has security. We'll also be joined by BK Gupta of he's a VIP specialist, VIP security specialist. He'll also be joining us. Mr. Pramod Tiwari, if I can start with you. In the petition, it says that you have 50 gunners. And it also says that your family also enjoys security, and the petitioners now challenging that you shouldn't have this security. Do you think you need so many people?
First, I want to make certain point, and just I request to BRB for 2 minutes.
Okay.
This will make everything clear that why he has filed. This is not first PIL. Not second, not third, not fourth. This is 17th PIL against me by the same gentleman. Second, he belongs to my constituency. Thirdly, he has contested election of parliament also.
Okay, so you're saying...
From that very constituency.
I understand. You're saying that this may be motivated.
No, just please.
I just wanted to ask you...
One more fact.
This
is not PIL.
Okay. If we go by just the theory of it all, we are not going personally by it, but you're just one of the people who has Z security. You have 50 gunners. We are going by this entire issue which a lot of people in the Supreme Court is talking about, not just what he has brought up. I wanted to ask you, do you think you have 50 gunners? Do you assess yourself, especially when after December 16th everyone's talking about it, do you think you need so many, sir?
This I want to say to you, this is a wrong figure of 50, absolutely wrong figures of 50.
Then how many do you have?
The case is sub judice in the court. I think I have whatever a person who is covered by Z security should get, not even a single more than that. What is the category Z? What are the required number? That is a very much described in the security book.
And you think
I have
you
not
need
exceeded even one gunner for that.
And you think that's required, sir? I just wanted to ask that.
Very much.
Okay. Because...
Very much.
And what is the threat perception for our viewers that you feel, who are the people threatening you?
Actually, I want to tell you one thing, and that will explain so many things. Why this gentleman who has contested election from that constituency, why this gentleman who has filed 17 petitions, not only security regarding my house, regarding my family, when I take a breath, he says, why you are taking?
Okay, fine.
Some motive behind him.
Okay.
He is not the person. Just listen to me.
I know. I understand what the point you've made. I just want to point out this debate is not about you specifically.
No.
You very kindly agreed to come, which is why we're there. We are talking about the general VIP security, and that's why. Abhay Singh ji, your petition has now become Harish Salve's also. It's a larger question. It's not just about Pramod Tiwari.
Yes.
But why is it so important for you to strike down security for people? Why do you think they should have less security?
Because if the government will follow the norms of the Yellow Book,
yes,
according to Yellow Book, the security of the Z+2, Z, Y and X, that should be provided only to the persons who are facing grave and imminent threat from the terrorist group or fundamentalist group.
And you feel that's not happening?
No. In UP, where there is terrorist activity, you ask Mr. Pramod Tiwari, he got Z security from the last 20 years since 1995 to till date. Whom he is facing threat from any terrorist group?
Okay. If we can just go across to Mr. DR Karthikeyan. Sir, you are, you're a former police officer yourself. You've also got security, obviously, because you handled the entire Rajiv Gandhi case. What do you make of this entire controversy at present, when people are really questioning when we don't have enough people manning our streets, people are really questioning VIP security. What do you think about it?
See, when in Delhi, everybody refused to take up the investigation of Rajiv Gandhi assassination. That's a fact. They approached me. I did not know at that point of time. Others declined to take it up because either you won't be able to detect it, or if you detect it, it will be a deadly terrorist group. And either you will be killed or your family will be destroyed. But anyhow, I took it up as a duty to the nation, and I had a lot of respect for Rajiv Gandhi. Well, if you can't protect, at least let us find out the killers of the man. When I took it up, of course, it was not known who would have been the guilty people. It was a blind case. But once we identified the Tigers of Tamil Eelam, LTT is responsible, all my colleagues in Delhi advised me to withdraw from the case. They said because they are, all your relatives live in Tamil Nadu, they are the deadliest terrorist group. I said, no, but I have to do my duty, I did it. But they said they will give security for the time being, but later on slowly they will withdraw it because they will ultimately give protection only to the politicians. Right. They will forget the officers who take the risk, and then it was happened. After some time the security was withdrawn. I don't have security. Years back they abruptly and arbitrarily withdrawn. Of course you can't give security for everybody all the time. What will happen to the rest of the country?
Okay.
I personally feel many who are being security do not face any threat, and it's a become prestige, and by lobby they are getting it. Secondly, apart from what is prescribed officially, they manage to get unofficially also attach a lot of people. It's a fact of life. I can't say. And people holding such position like the Chief Minister, Prime Minister, Home Minister, yes, they have to be given because of the position. But many others who are given, some maybe, but if they have incurred the risk because of what they did, either creating caste trouble or communal trouble, why should their taxpayers' money be spent in providing security to them? Let them have their own security.
That's an interesting point. Mr. B.K.
If they are, because of the performance of duty to the nation, they deserve it, it's a different matter.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.